Well, good evening again. I apologize for my hiatus for a couple weeks. I was dealing with a little, minor back injury, so took it easy for about a week. Didn't really do much of anything. But I wanted to get back to business here. So, welcome. Hope you're enjoying my videos if you're watching. But just wanted to do a little quick shakedown review of a nice little tool I found on Amazon. Just get right down to business here. This is a little kind of survival tool you can keep in your car, take camping or whatever. I was looking at tomahawks and little things like that. But let's get right into it. This is a nice little kind of survival axe type of deal. I was looking at a whole bunch of them, and just this one caught my eye. I like the design. Price was pretty decent on it, but $16.50 on Amazon for this. This is from obviously it's Chinese made, company called Sima. Doing a look-see kind of review on this, basically for the fact that I was actually quite impressed with it. I didn't have high expectations, being as where it came from and the quality of things coming out of there, especially steels. But this was quite impressive. It's a decent. I wasn't surprised. I read the description, looked at the reviews and things. Wasn't super surprised. It wasn't taken aback. Wasn't angry or anything when I got it. It is kind of small, as you can see, compared to an average hand. I think it's like 8.5 inches long, about 2 3/4 on the edge here, the blade. But pretty neat. One of the things that really impressed me, I did like the design. I say it's pretty decent. Good thickness. I haven't measured that or anything yet, but gotta say it's 3/16. Like I said, decent. It's workable. The one thing I like about it, you can pack it. I've actually been carrying this just in the center console of my car, basically for the fact of this nifty little thing right here, the little seatbelt cutter we got going on. If you can see. Can see that. Adjust my light here a little bit. But one of the things that really got me, straight out of the box, shaving sharp. Holy cow. That thing, it took the hair off my arm straight out of the package, and that usually doesn't happen. I see, of course, I'm on YouTube. I watch a lot of other videos and stuff, and and one of the things that I think is kind of amusing, a lot of other guys complain about knives and stuff not being that sharp out of the box. Well, typically the manufacturers don't sharpen the knife super sharp out of the box. Just, that's for you, that's for the end user to take care of. But it's a nifty little thing. It does a pretty good job chopping, but like I said, mostly it's just kind of an emergency tool. If you do a lot of camping, you go out and you do a little bushcraft or camping or whatever, you get out and about, and just, even if you just go play around in the woods, it's nice to have. It's packable. It takes up zero space. It did come with, your basic little nylon sheath, a couple of snaps. It actually does a pretty decent job, but like I said, for the price, I'm not complaining. But again, I did like the design, and it is more of an emergency tool. It's like a seatbelt cutter. It's got some serrations down there. You can choke up on this pretty good. I do like that. It's got the little stippling there, dimpling, whatever you want to call it. You can put your thumb on there, you choke up on it, you get it down, you get a little choppage going. But nice. Handle's not bad. Like I said, I'm not one to complain about hot spots and all that. When you use something, it's going to wear. They're called calluses. You earn them. This here is supposed to be a little bit of a glass breaker. Don't know about that, but again, for the price, you get what you get. So, but yeah, I just wanted to give a rundown on this, and a couple little reviews going here. Basic, nothing special on the handle. Scales, plastic, screwed on. Again, no big deal for the price point. At that price point, I mean, I'm thinking about buying another one. For that, the sub $20 range, you can't really go wrong. Came with a little teeny bit of paracord there. I don't know what you're going to do with that, but I mean, it's not small enough to throw in a keychain. So there we have it. A little survival hatchet from company SEMA. I've seen a couple other their knives on Amazon and working around. I didn't like the knife designs, but this is nice. So if you're looking for something like this, that's packable, stowable. It doesn't take up a lot of room, very lightweight, but still capable of doing a few things. Obviously, it's not even really a hatchet. It's not a full-size axe. It's not going to do all that. There's better tools for the jobs, for those jobs. But again, something like I said, I just stowed it in the center console of my carbine right around, and if I need it, there it is, and otherwise I forget about it. So, well, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little video, this review. If you would, please like, subscribe, leave a comment, even if you think I'm doing a crappy job. But let me know. Thank you.